The Fairlight Sound Library is a royalty-free collection of 500 professionally recorded Foley sounds that you can use from the Sound Library panel. To do this, go to the Edit or Fairlight page, open the Sound Library panel, and there'll be a button to press to download the free sound effects library. This will take you to the Blackmagic Design support page, register and download the Sound Library installer. Once installed, return to the Fairlight page and select the Fairlight Sound Library from the drop-down menu. From here you can search terms to add into your edits such as car or wave. The library window also has a preview feature to listen and analyse the waveforms. The Audition button helps to temporarily lay it out in your timeline for review. Pressing cancel will remove it. There's also a rating system to help you locate your favourite sounds in the future. The search field has a few other options such as using and or not keywords for better filtering. If you don't know what you're after, type 3 asterisks in the search field and it will show you a list of all available sounds in that library. So the next time you need to level up your films, don't forget to download